Welcome to the amazing game of Triangle Twist. Triangle Twist is a fun and educational puzzle game designed for kindergarten children to explore basic geometric concepts through hands-on play. The game uses four identical right-angled isosceles triangles, created by cutting a square along both diagonals, to form a variety of shapes. This game promotes early spatial awareness, enhances problem-solving skills, and introduces children to symmetry, pattern recognition, and basic geometry in an engaging, playful way. It also helps improve hand-eye coordination and boosts imagination while reinforcing the understanding of shapes and symmetry. Game setup: a square sheet diagonally into four identical right-angled isosceles triangles. Players must reassemble it correctly, combining visual and cognitive skills. Game rules: use all four triangles to create a shape, unless a challenge specifies fewer. Do not overlap the triangles. All triangle sides must lie flat on the surface. You may rotate and flip the triangles. Use the triangles to form different shapes such as squares, rectangles, triangles, and more creative designs. Try to match the outline or picture, invent your own designs. Draw your created shapes in your notebook. Encourage children to build shapes like square, rectangle, parallelogram, triangle, trapezoid, house, boat, tree, rocket, etc. Let children explore and create abstract designs. This is a great way to combine geometry with early literacy development. Learning goals: identify and describe shapes. Understand symmetry and angles. Enhance fine motor and hand-eye coordination. Encourage creativity and imagination. Practice following directions and visual matching. Triangle Twist turns geometry into joyful play. Children learn by doing, building strong minds at an early age. Explore more games with educational recreation activities. Call 9447461221.